Hi everyone! I'm Aliya.
And I'm Mya.
And welcome to our YouTube channel! Woo!
It's
Christmas! We're so excited. And we're opening a gift package for us today, right?
Yes!
It's for Mya and she doesn't know what's in it yet. So we're going to see what's happening. But
It's
today,
blue.
who do we have here today, Mya?
Baby Cici!
Baby Cici!
She's joining with us.
And where'd you get Baby Cici?
From my house!
Yes, from your house. We're so excited to
For
open.
Baby Cici with us!
Woo! And we're so excited
For
to
her family.
open some gifts. I think that has to do with Baby Cici.
Yep. Baby Cici knows how to talk.
All right,
See?
so
She knows how to talk.
look.
Oh my God! What is
A Christmas present!
Open it,
Let's put Baby
Baby
Cici
Cici back
up
in
there.
there. See, there you go, Baby Cici. I think it's a Barbie, my favorite.
You think so?
Yep, let's
Let's
open
see.
it.
You want to open it?
Sure.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh, I see this. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a real girl. Hurry up.
Oh
My gosh!
We have another doll here today.
Wow!
Wow.
It's a new one!
This doll is named Zoe.
And she's like you!
Yeah, she
And look!
is.
Step one is look.
All right, let's show them. Let's show them all about Zoe. So, this is a doll where you can wash her hair and do her hair, and you can do your own hair with her, and you look just like her. So, it says on the back, Zoe is an African-American girl who is in love with books. They inspire her and help her find great ideas and solve amazing problems. She comes up with the biggest, brightest ideas. Have a problem or question? Zoe will help you find the answer. So, on the back, there's a bunch of steps on how to wash Zoe's hair. So the first step is wash. Second step is section. Then you detangle. Then you dry, you style, and you rock it out. So that's what it says on the back.
That's the end, and let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let's open this for that.
So this is amazing, and we're so excited.
Oh, right here, right here.
There we go.
Zoe's appearing.
There's tape. Can you get the other tape?
Sure.
Okay, Mama.
You did it, Aliya. Let's do this. Let's do this. So excited, aren't we, Aliya?
We are excited. There's more tape. You know how we are with tape, y'all.
Yep.
Oh, gosh.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, and gosh.
Oh.
Isn't that fun? Oh, and gosh. Isn't that funny?
Love that.
Oh, and gosh. This is the best day of my life.
Wow,
Isn't it, Aliya?
she's so pretty.
She's so cool. Let me see her.
Oh my
gosh.
goodness.
Her
Look at
hair's-
her hair.
Her hair is like yours.
It's so beautiful. It's like
And look
yours
at her
too.
shoes.
Yeah.
Even the child laces can even come on.
Yeah. Wow, that's awesome. Okay.
Francie's baby.
Another
Cici.
bestie. It's like me and you.
Yep. That could be
Wow.
me, and that could be me, and that could be you.
Oh, okay. I was thinking the other way around, but
Yep.
that's okay too.
That's you. You can stay right.
All right.
Her name's
So
Baby
here's Zoe and Cici.
Baby Cici, you mean.
Baby Cici, my bad. So now we're gonna open one more thing,
Yes, we're opening it. What is it?
and it is her curl care kit.
Let me see her curl.
So this, oh my goodness, is all her hair products.
Yes, Zoe, we can wash her. Wash.
And section.
And section.
And detangle. So with this curl kit, it says, "Hello, my name is Zoe, and I'm really excited to share this special gift I got for you. It took me a long time to learn to love my hair, but with my mom's help, we learned to take care of my curls together. Now I want to help girls like you do the same. These are some of my favorite products that helped me on my natural hair journey. These are just for you. I'll be sending you more info on how exactly to use these products in your hair. I'm looking forward to the fun we're going to have together, and I hope you are too. Love, Zoe!"
Yay!
Okay, so how about we go through these products? So it comes with a Denman brush, which is amazing. So we use that to brush through her hair, any products. And to start off, we start with this hydrating shampoo. And
it's wet.
Yeah, it got a little cold. But
from the outside.
Yeah, from the outside. But
yeah, because maybe the package man dropped it off.
Yeah, that's what happened.
The package man
So then the next step is the conditioner for Zoe's hair. And then let's see the rest.
We have...
Okay, so this is an intense recovery treatment. So you could probably use this on a day and you feel like your hair is extra dry. You could probably shampoo your hair and then put this right in and let it sit for a while. It's like a treatment. So that's amazing. We can do that for one of the more dry days for Zoe.
Zoe said Zoe was dry.
We have 2 conditioning creams. So this is for type 3 hair and this is for type 4 hair. So my would probably use the type 4 conditioning cream and I would probably use the type 3 conditioning cream. And that's after you shampoo and condition your hair.
Come on.
And for Zoe, you can probably use either one.
Come on.
So those are the products we have for Zoe. And that's how we would do her hair routine. And she's a really pretty doll, right, Mai?
Yeah, and I untied her shoes.
You untied her shoes?
Yeah.
Nice. And then there's one last present. So let's see the last thing that comes in the box. T-shirt! And it matches Zoe's t-shirt. So you see her t-shirt that says "My Black is Beautiful"?
But it's her shirt.
Yes.
It's not called her t-shirt. It's called her shirt.
Right. So
there's a couple things on her back. And let's just put it on her. And next.
No, this is for you, Mai.
Really?
This is for you, yeah.
It's not for her?
No, she has one. See? Look at her t-shirt. You have a matching t-shirt with Zoe.
We're gonna match! We're good friends!
Yeah! And what does it say?
Woo!
What does it say, Mai?
My black is beautiful.
Yes, it does. And it matches our friend Zoe.
She says, my black is beautiful.
Yes.
We're matched.
They match. So now
I'm going to play with this doll.
Yes, and now they can match and they can do their hair routine together.
Oh yeah.
So on the next video,
I'm not going to put that in my hair.
On the next video, you'll see us do a hair routine with Zoe.
Let's do a hair routine.
We'll do one on the next one, okay?
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.
Leave a like and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye. Mwah.
Mwah. Okay. I need to hurry on the next one now.
Did you introduce your new doll to your other doll?
Yes, we did.
I'm gonna
Okay, sorry.
No, don't tie it.
I'm trying to